a lot of research for this. The bang for your buck, apparently this one's going to be the one to get. So, yeah, D&H packs their stuff pretty good. Camera. Alright, so we got the EOS 60D by Canon. So I'm kind of excited about this one. Let's see what comes in the box. Of course, you get all your Canon paperwork. Software, instruction manuals, English and Spanish, I think. And it's a computer cable for the TV, charger, battery pack. Strap, the lens, and the camera. Alright, there we go. Let's take a look at the lens first. Packed nicely. That feels like a good lens. Most of the reviews say that it's a pretty good lens to start with. It's EFS 18 at 135mm with image stabilizer. Woo. I'm gonna break my camera first day out of the box. And then the camera body itself. There you go. It has the flippy screen, which is very neat. It's just pretty nice, actually. I hear that there are better cameras out there, but bang for your buck. This is probably the one you'd like to have. So that's it. The Canon EOS 60D.